Så du det?
Wow! 424 meter.
Fuck, men det var det der med at trykke på.
Den holder stille et eller andet sted. Prøv lige at køre mod højre. Ja, den er heroppe et eller andet sted.
Hvor lang afstand nu?
Nej, du skal op mod venstre. Den kom længere væk, dengang du kørte, da du drejede til højre.
Okay.
200 meter.
Okay.
170.
Prøv lige at køre længere heroppe af. Nej, stop nu. Den drejer mega skarpt. Jeg er slet ikke vant til at køre den bil her. Jeg er slet ikke kørt i den, faktisk.
Prøv lige at holde stille. Okay, den holder stille. Bare fortsæt lige ud.
Okay. Er det han gun ham der?
Den holder derovre. Sir, put the gun away.
Hello? Sir, do you always talk like that to your colleagues?
You're not police.
Great to talk to your colleague, eh?
Put a...
How can you know that? Sir, give me one proper answer. How can you know that I'm not police?
What is your name? We don't recognize you.
Yeah, and you're not wearing officer pants.
That's
Look at your pants. You're not wearing the uniform. You're wearing the vest and the cap.
Get out.
Sir, don't move.
You know it's very...
Where's your
heavy
badge?
metagaming it's
Where's
doing
your
right now.
badge? Can I see your badge?
Can you not see it? You know that you only wear it when you go on duty, right?
Sir, I need you to pull away the gun.
Oh yeah, sure. I'll put it on when I get on duty.
Listen up, sir. Police officers do not wear a backpack, okay?
Yeah, but I'm not on
Can you
duty yet.
see that? Can you see that from the car? Can you see the backpack from the car?
No, but I could see his pants.
Say again?
That is not a standard issue uniform.
Yeah, no one walks like that.
Yeah, I know, man. That was, I'm on the way, you know, to the
We were
to
just
the
coming up
station
because
to
you
get,
ran
like,
around with a
later
weapon.
on.
Where are you a cop?
He's called last evening. Yeah, of course
Dude,
I
you
am.
have violated the Firearms Act 1968, okay? Visible firearm in a public area.
Yeah, so
If you are a cop, then you will understand that we have to restrain you for our own safety. If you are a cop, you will agree and comply with us.
We're gonna go to the station and we'll figure this out, okay?
Sir, step away from the vehicle.
There should be no problem at
on
all.
duty later on, man. You know that. Sir, you're gonna have to unrestrain me.
Du har glemt at give mig nøglen.
You might maybe get a...
It's not gonna happen.
Lås bilen.
This is Kilo Victor 3. We are getting fired at the hospital at Kavala.
Åbn bilen! Åbn bilen!
This is Kilo Victor 5, we are en route, over.
Du skal huske at åbne bilen.
Jamen, hvorfor bruger du din nøgle?
Fordi du har ikke givet mig nøglen.
Jo, jeg har så.
Nej, jeg har ikke nogen nøgle.
Oh my god, hvorfor har du ikke sagt det?
Jamen, det fandt jeg da lige ud af. Jeg sad med den bil,
Jeg trykkede på den, der var 1 meter væk, og så gav jeg dig nøglen. Jeg har glemt at trykke på dit navn, tror jeg.
Det kan godt være.
Fuck. Vi skal blive lægt, du må ikke respawn nu.
Jeg er ikke død. Hey guys.
Okay.
We got ambushed by a wannabe cop.
He was starting...
Jamen, den er helt færdig, vi går hen og stopper ham. Han kommer løbende med et våben frem, og han er ikke betjent.
Ja, jeg kunne se,
det kunne de godt
jeg lagde mærke til hans bukser. Det er jo det, jeg lagde mærke til.
Ja, det gør jeg også. Det var ikke politiuniform, det der.
Restrain him as soon as he gets up.
Og det var slet ikke hans navn, for det fik vi slet ikke øje på.
That's a giant campfire.
What's going on? What's going on? Why did you do this?
Stop right there.
Why are you firing at the police?
Now. No, I was not. That was not me. That was not me.
It was Steve.
Then you saw who it was.
No, it was not me.